Hello, I'm Mrfairley, and I'm an Algebra 1 teacher and Math Department Head at Eagles Landing Christian Academy here in McDonough, Georgia. And I cannot wait to tell you how we're becoming a smarter math classroom through the use of smart technology.
Using the smartboard is an everyday occurrence in our math classroom. Our students walk in with excitement to see what interactive activity they can be involved in. The smartboard is great for teaching, peer-to-peer learning, and demonstrations. Our smartboard also accommodates different learning styles to ensure that all students receive equal access to learning. Our students show an increase in motivation and enjoy the interaction the technology offers. It makes the math classroom come alive. The multimedia resources found in the Smart Notebook Gallery allows me to bring an ease of learning to concepts that may be difficult, abstract, or even complex. Our students are active participants in the learning process. With the addition of our Smart Response units, it only takes the push of a button to assess individual and class understanding. Formative and summative assessments are completed with ease. This insight helps me to adapt lessons based on student responses and results. When the students respond to questions using the Smart Response remotes, the Smart Response PE software gives me a summary of the results in various formats. This data provides statistical analysis that helps me as a teacher to adapt my teaching to include further review where necessary. Seeing these results immediately takes away the delay in responding to my students' needs. If a student has a question, he's free to press the question mark key on his Smart Response unit to ask me a question at any time. As students work on the smartboard, giving constructive feedback does not have to be an embarrassing situation. Errors can be corrected in an educational yet interactive way.
So the first thing we need to do on our TI-84s, and we're going to use our TI SmartView simulator, is put in your quadratic equation. So let's go into the y equals. Our quadratic equation is x squared plus 3x plus 4. Once you have that in, you want to hit graph so we can see the parabola form. Remember, a parabola is a U-shaped graph. Now what I'd like to do is go to large screen here on my simulator so we can actually see it a little bit bigger. And one great incredible thing about Smart Notebook software is I can actually take this graph and drag it over to our notebook software there. And we have the ability to manipulate. We can actually count and see where these points are.
The online resources such as the Smart Exchange and Teachers Love Smartboard are just two of the many websites that provide great assistance and resources for my lesson planning and creation.
Thank you for allowing me to share how we are becoming a smarter classroom thanks to smart technology. We are differentiating our instruction to reach and teach a broader audience of students regardless of their learning styles. Interactive lessons have become a common thing in our classroom, and I don't know what I would do without my smartboard. Please consider me, Mrfairley, as a smart exemplary educator.